Hello, my name is Maddie Shaleski, and my biographical research project for the Women in Sports Fall 2018 class is on Thailand. The population and population structure. The population of Thailand is a little over 68 million. The majority of the population with the age structure in Thailand is about age 25 to 54 years old, sitting at about 46.32, followed with 0 to 14 years old with 16.93%. And then you can see that behind that is the 15 to 24 with 14.17, and then the 55 to 64 with 12%, and 65 years old and older at 10.58%. And the population growth each year is about at 3%. When it comes to ethnic groups, languages, and religion, ethnic groups of Thailand is at about 97.5% Thai, and the official language is Thai, which 90.7% of the country speaks. With religion, majority is Buddhist with 94.6%, followed by Muslim at 4.3%, and other is Christian, and then other after that, and then none. When it comes to sport and culture pursuits of the nation, the popular sports are known to be football, which is known as soccer there, badminton, golf, tennis, and weightlifting. Weightlifting has become more popular over the last couple of years because of the success they have been having, as I will talk about later on. And then the traditional sports of Thailand are Sakra, which is like similar to volleyball. As you can see on the top picture over here, it's more of a sport that is known as like kick volleyball, where players are also allowed to use their feet, knee, chest, and head to touch the ball. Then is Muay Thai, which is also known as like Thai boxing. In this sport, it's usually standing up striking, which is known as the art of 8 limbs. They are allowed to use fists, elbows, knees, and shins. The professional league is governed by the Professional Boxing Association of Thailand and sanctioned by the Sports Authority of Thailand. And then on the bottom picture right there, you see the Thai boxing happening. Another traditional sport there is kite flying. And then other common sports are swim and dive and table tennis. Along with that, because of the culture, climate, and interests, genetic makeup, and physical size, people in that country have the opportunity to excel in international competitions. The significance of sports in society. Thai people have a special place in their heart for sports. It's such an important part of their culture because of their history, and they were well known for their contribution to martial arts because they are known for their national sport of the Thai boxing. It also has a variety of different kind of landscapings there, which allow there to be a wide range of sports, from such as like mountain biking to water sports. As you can see on the side, I have pictures of them doing water sports, mountain biking, and even some of their indoor sports like volleyball. And then the Thai people will practice the sport and take it serious and achieve it at a good level. Next is opportunities for women. It allows women to participate in their communities and promotes freedom, personal networks, and other opportunities. This allows gender equality, which has women and sport leaders challenge the gender-based stereotypes and discrimination. Thailand has a badminton school for women and a football association for Thailand for women. The most significant female sporting hero is Holzak, which she was a weightlifter from Thailand. She won a gold medal in women's weightlifting in the 53 kilogram division. It was the first Olympic gold gold medal won by a Thai woman and only the third won by a Thai. So this was in the 2004 Olympics in Athens. She also had won a silver medal in the combined lifts at the 2002 Asian Games, bronze in the 2002 World Championships, and another gold in the 2003 Southeast Asian Games. At the 2003 World Weightlifting Championship in Vancouver, British Columbia, and Canada, she also won a gold medal. After this, she was named the 2003 Thai Athlete of the Year by the Sports Authority of Thailand. After her success in 2004 with the Olympic gold medal winning, she was also given the honor in 2007 to light the torch at the Southeast Asian Games in her country. And then in the background of this picture is just a picture of her weightlifting at the 2004 Athens Olympics. And then I also included another popular Thai woman athlete, who was a golfer, and she qualified for the 2007 Honda LPGA Thailand at age 11, which was making her the youngest player ever to qualify for the LPGA Tour event. Some other interesting facts is that Thai has won 4 gold medals, 4 silver medals, and 6 bronze medals, for a total of 14 medals in boxing. 3 were gold medals, 1 silver medal, and 3 bronze medals, for a total of 7 medals in weightlifting. And there was also 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medals, for a total of 3 medals that they received in Taekwondo. And then there was Suda, who took bronze in the 58-kilogram women's weightlifting. It was Thai's first medal outside of boxing and the first for a woman. This took place at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. This is a slide of past events hosted in Thailand. On the side, I have a picture from the Asian Beach Games that were hosted in Thailand in 2014. Some other events that had taken place with Thai are the Asian Games, which were in 1966, 1970, 1978, and 1998. In 1978 was the WBF World Championships. Southeast Asian Games in 1985, 1995, and 2007. In 1997 was the World Weightlifting Championship. In 2003 was the World Boxing Championship. In 2007, they had the Summer Universidad. And 2007, the World Weightlifting Championships. And then in 2007, they also had the AFC Asian Cup, which is for soccer. And in 2014, like I said on the picture, for the Asian Beach Games. These are my websites that were used during this project, and I hope that you learned a little bit more about Thai's culture and women in sport through Thai.